Okay, so A, they're either shooting a new Jason Bourne movie. B, shooting a new commercial for the new Tesla powerboat that you don't know about yet. Or C, it's a husband and wife couple, and they're getting ready to go at it here. A little divorce action here. They're fighting. A lot of divorces in Palm Beach County.